Hello guys, welcome back to another edition here at Alpha Steel. So today we have the solderless connector, or we can call it the split bolt. So this time it's the flathead type. So there's two type of this one. The other one is a threaded type wherein you can fix it on a surface where you want it to not move. Wherein this one it's the other way around. It cannot. Cannot be fixed. Just use it as it is, and simply just need to put your wires in here, then tighten it up just like that. And yeah, we have a lot of size for this 1/0, 2/0, 3/0, 4/0, and there's a lot of other sizes still available. Okay, so this one is used to tighten up the wires to make sure it doesn't slip, since it has the grooves in there. As you can see, let's take it off for you to better see it. Okay, so there's the groove. This is for the wires not to slip out of the split bolt itself, right? Yep. And yep, that's about it for the split bolt flathead type. So I'll see you on our next video. Goodbye.